You know, I used to wonder how project cars would take like years and years to finish until I got one. So, here I am a year later. There we go. This car hadn't even left the driveway yet. Hadn't crunked this thing up in probably like 2 months. But yeah, it really just got to the point where the things this was needing, it was more expensive than I felt like spending money on something at the time. And it was like, well, if I gotta spend $4,000 or $5,000 on a car in a year, might as well spend it on that one. So that's what I did. So maybe I'll get this thing going this year. But it's always slow to crank. A little stutter. Maybe we running. There we go. So yeah, maybe. Project car woes. So yeah, it might just be rose gas in here. Yeah, we'll figure it out. But maybe I'll get on this car later this year and get it running and moving. Alright, so now we got it, got a decent auto going. But the main issue with this car originally was it needed body work. And I don't know how to do body work. So I started off trying to learn, but I just didn't have enough time to really mess with it like I wanted to really actually learn what I needed to learn. Outside of that, this stuff is easy. Fenders, bumpers, grills, all this stuff, that's easy. I just didn't want to spend the money getting that until I figured everything else out, like getting the engine and stuff together. So it's running fairly decent, so it's good enough to keep going from that. But once I got that going and got moving, that's when I realized reverse doesn't work in here. So gonna need to get the transmission rebuilt. So that was another bill, and I was like, wasn't too excited about doing that, especially when I had to get the trans rebuilt in the vet. So I decided it was better to spend the money, get the vet transmission done, as opposed to getting the Mustang transmission done. So that got put on the back burner. Once I get the trans done, the engine is not the best running, but I think it should be okay to kind of knock around with. So once I get the trans done, then I can deal with fenders, bumpers, all of that, and fix the dent in the back or do whatever. I might just daily it. The original plan was to fix it, sell it, but the amount of money that's got to go into it is not really gonna be that much beneficial if I sell it. Like, I don't think I'd be able to get that much more than what I spent on it, so it kind of defeat the purpose. So if I finish fixing it, I'll probably just use it like another daily. So that's where we at with this stuff. But the inside is nice. Still only 96,000 miles, so it's not like it's completely ran through. It just could be a little better. But that's where we at with this. So maybe I have a Mustang daily at the end of 2022, maybe. But I'm gonna go do a little work, and I will catch back up with y'all in a little bit.